Okay, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back everyone. This is a fast review of what have I done in the last few weeks. I'm going to start the game in Arabic. I'm going to pass through the cutscenes really fast. So this is the game how it works. The pictures are placeholder for now. I'm waiting for the artist to see what she can do with them. Sometimes this sound doesn't go through the pipeline for some reason. Maybe the file format, I need to double check. Sometimes it doesn't play, sometimes it plays. The cutscenes are not perfect. I'm going to pass through them really fast. And I'm not going to read it this time. So these cutscenes are like a year old. Not that old, but at least 6 or 7 months old. I did improve some of the points where the transition of the code behind the scene and blah blah blah, and made ways to change the pictures in the middle, and I fixed some of the problems, but the effects are the same. And this I tried to make it subtle, that's why I made all this time of waiting. The pause was part of the story that he all of a sudden saw himself in front of him, so he was like and here I want the player to click here on purpose to once again to make it a little bit settling. It's or unsettling, I mean. Why I'm talking in English, I don't know. But all of this I want to show off actually the new things that I was working on the last month. One of the things is the system to allow transition between one conversation to another. So here we will move from the prologue to Act 1, and I made a segment timer to make this possible. So this is the cutscene, and this is the transition where the screen will go black, change the map, change everything, change the conversation, and start a new one. So this is what I was working on the last month. And here, unfortunately, I didn't make the Arabic translation, so it won't show. It will be an empty string. And if we go to the file in here, localization, you will see that the prologue is translated into Arabic. When we go to the Act 1, we will see there's no translation because I haven't worked on that. And there's like more than 600 entries waiting for me to translate. So, I found this picture today just to make proof of point that we can make the new morphing effect, which I use actually this place. I was going to use the wave effect, but I couldn't find the code online, so I improvised. So here, after the cube go down, and then William will try to hold it. And now, this is the effect I was working on today. If you want to see what the heck and how did I came up to this, you can watch the previous video, 4 hours long. But the idea was formed today while I was searching how to do it. It took me forever. And actually I was thinking of it, or thinking about it the last week, but I wasn't sure. I was trying really to find the morph or the wave effect. But morph was a 3D thing, and I cannot apply it to 2D. It was totally different thing that I don't need it. So there you go. You can return the video a minute ago and see the effect again. The colors, I will use color grading effect to move the color gradually from the image from the first one to the second one. Actually, yeah, if you wanted to know more details, watch the previous video. Thank you for watching.